Hey everyone, welcome back to AITech1.com, your go-to channel for all things tech, where it is Salesforce, machine learning, Python, or data visualization. I'm Sumit, and today we will be diving into something really exciting. And the topic for today is how do we display an image on a screen flow in Salesforce? In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to add and display images in Salesforce Screen Flows. As all of you know, that screen flows are powerful tools for creating guided user experience, and adding visuals like images can enhance your flow significantly. So in this video, we will be going to cover how to prepare an image for the flow, how to upload an image to Salesforce static resources, how to reference the images in a screen flow, and we'll also talk about the best practices for using images in screen flows. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. So let's begin our video for the day. So basically, the requirement here is I would like to display an image on a screen flow. Let me show you the final output. What will be my final expectation? So when I run my flow or when I debug my flow, I would like to display an image like this. So this is my screen flow, and I have displayed an image on a screen. So I'll show you practically how can we do this step-by-step implementation. So let me close my flow, and the step number one is we need to navigate to our Salesforce org first of all, and we look for static resources. As all of you know that static resources, it is used to upload the content that we want to reference in a Visual Force pages, including zip and zar files, images, style sheets, JavaScript, and other files. So I'm going to upload an image over here. So what I've done, I have already uploaded an image name as company logo. Let me open that. And if I look at the view file, this is my file. So that's the file I would like to display on a screen flow. So this file I have already uploaded from my system, from my machine onto Salesforce static resources. Now it's time to set up a flow, and within that flow will display this logo, will display this image. So for this, let me open setup one more time, and in setup I will look for flows. So step number one, we have already uploaded a static resources. Step number two, we will be going to set up a new screen flow. So I'll click on flows, new flow, and here I select start from scratch, screen flow, create, and we will be going to add a new screen on this. So I click plus and click on screen. And in this screen, let me do some customization. I'll say screen one, and I'll remove the header, and even for footer also I don't want the pause and the previous button. Finish is fine, or I can disable the footer also, right? Because this is one single screen. And here I wanted to display an image. So for the image, if you see on left side, there we have a list of components, and there's a component called display image. So I drag and drop this component, and API name as, let's say, company image. Here we have to specify the image name. So image name will be the static resource name. So my static resource name is company logo. I copy that name and paste here company logo. Enter a value. You can see it will display the image instantly. We can do further customization, horizontal alignment, image alternate text, just in case if the image is not available. See this. If the browser can't load the image, then it will display the text. So I'll just label this as company logo. And image CSS, if you want to do the customization, for example, we can set the border, we can set the box shadow, and other CSS styling. We can also set the image height and image width. At the same time, we used to have the component visibility. If you want to make this image available only for a specific profile user or based on certain conditions, we can do that. Let me click on done and save this flow. So I just save this as flow to display image and save this. Now we can click on run. I click on run and will be able to display an image on a flow. So like this way, we can easily display an image on a flow. So basically, displaying image in the screen flow, it helps to improve the user engagement and enhance the overall flow experience. And now, what all use cases where we can use this functionality? Whether we want to display product images, we want to display icons, or we want to display company logo, we can use this functionality. So that's all in this video. If you like this, you can post your comment in comment box. If you have any requirement on training on Salesforce or any support, you can reach out to us on the given numbers, or you can drop your email on sumit.goel@ti1.com. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.